Alright guys, so finally reached the location. Up top, Sunrise TV. Just having a little trek up this hill. And it doesn't look steep on here. See my brother? He's struggling to get up there. So yeah guys, as I said, link up, you know what I mean? So this was a surprise. Link up, you know what I mean? We're gonna cook something up and then yeah, start the day, man. It's gonna be a blast. First time meeting him in person, you know what I mean? Great vlogger, awesome vlogger. He do a lot of cooking on his channel and yeah, you know what I mean? Good lad, you know what I mean? His name is Jason, but everyone know him as Sunrise TV. So yeah man, very famous lad, so come on, let's go. As what my brother said, pick it from a tree, pick it with love. You get me? So yeah man, this is it. See it right here, bro.
Yeah, that's it, bro.
Jamaican soy stuff right there.
That's you're gonna have with the food now.
Yeah?
You're gonna juice
Oh.
it. Yeah,
That's Sunrise
Like that, man. Yeah man, up to the time, brother.
Yeah,
Sound like a plan, bro.
I'm telling you,
We're not in
natural,
start
bro.
yet.
Alright.
Those are the two men
nice
together.
one.
See those two, brother?
Yeah man.
Jamaican family, man.
You know, Sunrise boss, I'm gonna link way up in our hills, you know, and
Yes.
I sent me, you know. I don't
Yes.
know them soon show you the view, which part me live. You see the sunrise every morning. That's why I call my channel Jamaica Sunrise TV. Yeah, the boss I said cool, yeah, up here always cool. So I don't know in the kitchen we are gonna deal with some curry goat.
Yeah?
Yeah, cause them say they want some curry goat and you don't know.
Some fish, me ask you that.
Yeah.
Because there's a fish, man.
Alright, so see there you get it. So yeah man, everything I ask for now I
Yeah,
get, you know. See there we have some yam and banana and
Yes.
cocoa and sweet
Yes.
potato, and you don't know the curry goat I go with the pumpkin rice, cause them
Yes.
say want some pumpkin
Yes,
rice.
man. Yes, man.
So everything
Yes,
there
man.
here and
Yes, man.
see vegetable you know, so
pop
some
chop, the
pop chop.
original
Yeah
thing.
man.
Iron box.
Cook them with some okra and all of them
Yes,
things there.
yes.
So you don't know.
Yes.
Are the vibes you just reach.
Oh God, I was
Yeah,
sweet,
man.
so.
Alright.
Alright, you tell your people you can
Yeah,
see
man.
it. Sunrise kitchen there, you know.
Yeah man.
Very early too, not even late, cause the sun arrives with them in the rain of all with the next out across the board. The original boss.
Fully, you know.
original.
Yeah, man.
Family for life.
Yeah man. Fully active man.
Fully active, you hear me say?
Yeah.
And the badness is just fully active.
Fully active.
Alright.
In anything you do, you have to just fully active, you know
That's
what I
true.
mean?
That's true.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Fully active outside.
The yard is there, so pretty the yard is. The real people them there. And see the bad boy them don't control the place. Original
Yeah,
man.
my brother holding the camera guys and yeah, we're just cooking up a storm. So now they're just preparing the food and we're gonna start with the curry goat, and then after that we're gonna have the fish guys. So you know what I mean, absolutely a storm, you know what I mean, I can't wait. Sound delicious, you know what I mean, I can't wait for the looks of it and also to eat it. I'm gonna send the drone up guys, I'll make you guys have an awesome view, and trust me, this place is amazing. You know what I mean, nice greenery, can't beat that, you know what I mean, sweet Jamaica. Oh, if you look over there, see the sea view. So the blue way you see over there guys, that's the sea view there, yeah. Yeah man, he's having an awesome housewife. He's building up, slow time, but yeah, we'll get there. I'll go on top now and show you what the view is like. So come on, let's go. And over there, I'm pretty sure that's that right there. That's Monkey Island. Oh man, look at that man. So good. Yeah, I hope you guys can hear me good. So, and as I say guys, you know what I mean, it's really hot. It's like looking at maybe 30, 31 degrees now. I did brought a shirt, but I realized it's too hot, so I'm just gonna stay in this for now. So the guys I'm downstairs are cooking up a little storm, and so I'm just gonna head back down, get some B-roll footage of that, you know what I mean, and I hope you guys enjoy it, you know what I mean. As I said, the first time I came across Sunrise TV, you know what I mean, it was when he was like maybe, you're looking at maybe 10,000 subscriber. Just his persona, you know, the way we deal with people, you know, he just got so much love and respect for his community, and also what his community give back to him as well, you know. So I mean, it's awesome bloke. I'll let you guys judge for yourself, you know. So stay tuned, watch and enjoy, and don't forget to hit the like button, you know what I mean, subscribe if you haven't. And if you're new to the channel guys, I'm Fabziy, content creator, you know what I mean. I'm in the army, British Army, and now I'm here in Jamaica, so now I'm creating content from here. I'm going back soon. I wish I was staying here, but unfortunately I have to go back and do my Queen's duty. Enjoy the view and stay tuned.
and mash up the yellow yam people. Watch you see it? Great yellow yam up down and mash down. Yeah. Let's put in the cocoa and the sweet potato. And then I go for the yellow yam. See it? And then Mr. Curry will go and bad one here.
You see, you see next season then?
What's there? The goat is not people, this are the real goat.
And then you should have asked you see some food and then powder.
See the yellow yam cut in sky.
Then no better.
What all purpose of that, sir?
Let me see the one look at it in the water.
Yeah, then you should have dropped it on pan it first.
No, you can't go and say it.
Yeah, man, I know, man.
See him cut out the hand there, see it? The bad part him cut out. Make it nice and level. See it, see it? Yeah. Season go on pan now. Yes man, Korean season now. See it people really thing, you see it? Yellow yam again.
Teacher, pass the cool water, please.
Clean it up, see what clean it up there properly. Take out all them part that scratch your throat in the people.
Yeah,
Some part that scratch your throat. See what clean it up properly there for you. Yeah, you see it? Yeah, you clean it up properly. Yeah, because them part you know when you eat it just your throat scratch. Yeah, you want everything slide and nice. Curry up for the season. Every season. See people, they really good at that. But you know, she know that I rum.
Yeah, you know, personalized style TV out there. You know.
Right.
Yeah, man, normal, you know. We have some yellow yam, here, some all other peeps.
Smoke gets you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, smoke rough. Yeah, man, some cocoa, some yellow yam, and some potato, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so I'm going to put them in the pot, you know, because I know.
So what are you going to do? What, are you going to boil those first, yeah?
Yeah, man, boil them with the banana and something, you know.
Alright.
Active.
Man, this is the real type of cooking in Jamaica, your peeps. Man, you come and stay at hotel and get them a type of cooking.
You ain't getting that. I love that toilet.
You ain't getting that. That boy you get what I thought you look so bad.
I walk today and you see it live while the cameraman run from smoke. And that make your food nice, you smoke.
Brother, you ain't getting that, you talk about.
Yeah, man.
Don't stand on it. You must stand there out there and left hotel food.
Yeah, that's what Jason was saying just now, yeah? You stay in the hotel, you ain't getting this type of food, guys, you know what I mean? So you need to come to places like these, you know what I mean? And get the authentic thing, authentic taste. And yeah, man, you don't know. The smoke is killing me though, guys, you know what I mean? So if you see a lot of shaky footage, my apologies. We're gonna drop the goat meat in, so if you look on it right there. Nice and curry down, ready to go. Simple enough. Can't wait.
Yeah, man. Can walk it to driving.
That's what I'm talking about, guys. You got all the vloggers around.
Yeah, man, fully outside, man.
They found me.
Put you in a boat and go town.
Yeah, my brother. It's a whip. Oh, right there.
I don't have the story, you don't want to stick in a pot, you know.
Yeah.
That's why you see my eat that story. I'm sure we burn the curry at the same time, you know. So you have to story one of them, so go all over and eat. Yeah, you don't know, so after that, you just cover all the pot. And go and watch each time you come like it a dry out, you throw in the water and all. So actually, I eat that, you know, so over here, so you have a yam and banana and them things that go and boil. So everything fully active, peeps. So
And also the name as well. Where should the name come from? Sunrise.
Because
Sunrise
we see
TV.
the sunrise every morning.
Alright.
Yeah, every
You hear that,
morning we
guys?
see the sunrise. Yeah,
With
man.
our amazing view.
With an amazing view, for real.
Can't go wrong with that, bro.
Can't go wrong, yeah, man.